Welcome back to Cracking the Code, and in this video we're going to be setting up VS Code or Visual Studio Code with C++, not to be confused with the regular Visual Studio. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the download button over here. By the way, all the links are in the description. Once you have it downloaded, open up the file. Now you just accept the license agreement and run through the rest of the installation. Make sure to create a desktop icon. Now you just click install and we wait for it to download. It doesn't take too long. Once you got that, just hit finish and launch Visual Studio Code. Now go over to the extensions over here on the left and search for C++, and you should find this extension here. You want to give that an install. As you can see, I already have it downloaded. Now we're going to go to the documentation for Visual Studio Code. We're going to scroll down here and you're going to click on the installation that you have. In this case, I'm using Windows, but if you have Linux or Mac, then you would follow those steps. Once you're there, we're going to scroll down and install the compiler. We're going to be installing the MinGW64 toolchain via MSys2. So you click on the download link, and once it's ready, go ahead and open it up. Now just run through the installation. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, so I'm getting this error, but you guys should be fine. Now you're going to look for MSys2 on your computer. It should be the purple one. Go ahead and open that up. Once you got that loaded up, you're going to want to go back over here and copy the code. Now paste it and hit enter. Now you're gonna see something like this. Just hit enter when you see it, and the next prompt after that you're gonna want to hit Y, and that should be it. You should have it installed. Before we check the installation, we're just gonna have to do one more thing. Look for edit system environment variables, click on it. Now you're gonna want to click on environment variables and double click on path. Now click on the new button and add the destination folder. If you use the default settings, then it will be this path. Now make sure to move it to the top so we don't have any conflicts. Now click OK, apply any changes. Now you're going to want to copy these commands here and open up command prompt. Once you're there, just right click to check the installations, and it works. Open up VS Code and make a file called main.cpp. The .cpp is the extension for C++ files. Once you're there, just write a simple hello world program so we can test out if everything's working properly. Now in the top right over here, you want to click on this drop down and you should see run C++. Click on it. Then you want to click on this option here. If it doesn't work the first time, then just try doing it again, and it works. And that's how you set up C++ in Visual Studio Code.